Hello and greetings to everyone. We are to correct the following exercises for application. Question 1 says write the following numbers correct to the nearest whole number. Writing a given number to the nearest whole number simply means we have to eliminate fractional part of that given number. We take solution. Question 1. A, we have the number 18.17. Expressing 18.17 to the nearest whole number simply means we have to eliminate 0.17. We have to round off in between the digits 8 and 1. 1 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. This will be approximately 18 to the nearest whole number. We take B. For B, we have the number 0.87. To the nearest whole number, it is approximately, we have to round off between the digits 0 and 8. 8 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. We have to add the 1 to this 0 units. And this will give us 1. Therefore, 0.87 to the nearest whole number gives us 1. We go to C. We have the number 368.1. To the nearest whole number, it is approximately, the digit 1 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. This will give us 368. We go to D. We have the number 311.91. We have to eliminate the fractional part 0.91. 9 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. We have to add the 1 to this 1 unit, which gives us 2 units. This will be approximately 312 to the nearest whole number. We are done with question 1. We move now to question 2. Question 2. Write the following numbers correct to the nearest unit. A, we have the number 0.961. The nearest unit, we know this 0 stands for 0 units. This 9 stands for 9 tenths. To the nearest unit simply means we have to eliminate this fractional part. We draw a vertical line here. 9 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1, which is added to this 0 unit. And this will be approximately 1. For B, we have the number 21.01. This will be approximately, we have to eliminate the fractional part 0, 1. 0 is less than 5. It remains 0. This will be approximately 21. For C, we have the number 545.1. We have to eliminate the fractional part 0.1. 1 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. This will give us 545. For D, we have the number 1030.2. We have to eliminate the fractional part 0.2. 2 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. This will give us 1030. We move now to question 3. Question 3. Write the following numbers correct to the nearest 10. For A, we have 18.27. To the nearest 10 simply means we have to eliminate the units and fractional parts, if in case they are fractional parts. Identifying the place value for tens. This is units. This is tens. We have to eliminate from the units down and the fractional part. Simply means we have to round off between the digits 1 and 8. The digit 8 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 2. The 2 is added to the 110 we have, and this will be approximately 20. We replace the 8 with a 0. Therefore, 18.27 to the nearest 10 gives us 20. Remember, we are just going to round up the 8 to 1. Since 8 is greater than or equal to 5, we add the 1 to this 110. It gives us 2 tens. Then we replace the 8 with a 0. For question B, we have the number 129.7. 9 stands for units, 2 stands for tens. We have to round up between 2 and 9. And this will be approximately 9 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. We have to add the 1 to these 2 tens, which gives us 3 tens. So we replace the 9 with 0. This will be approximately 130. When you write a number to the nearest 10, the units, the part for units will always be 0. You can see here 0, here 0. We go now to question C. We have the number 452. To the nearest 10, we have to round off between the digits 5 and 2. This will be approximately 2 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. This will give us 450. We go to question D. For D, we have the number 2598. To the nearest 10, we have to round off between 9 and 8. 8 is greater than or equal to 5, so it is rounded up to 1. We add the 1 to this 9. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. We cannot write 10 here. We are going to write 0. Then we carry the 1 to 5. 5 plus 1 gives us 6. This will be approximately 2600. We move now to question 4. Question 4. Write the following numbers correct to the nearest hundredth. For A, we have 1048. To the nearest hundred, this will be approximately. First, we need to start by identifying the place values for the hundred, units, tens, hundreds. We have to round up between the digits 0 and 4. 4 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. And we have to replace 4 with 0. We replace 8 with 0. This will be approximately 1000 to the nearest hundred. For B, we have the number 893. 893 to the nearest hundred. We need to identify the different place values: units, tens, hundreds. We have to eliminate the tens and units. We have to round off between the digits 8 and 9. 9 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. And we have to add the 1 to this 800, and this will be approximately 900. We will replace 9 and 3 with zeros. For C, we have the number 898.5. This will be approximately, this is units, tens, hundreds. We have to round up between the digits 8 and 9. 9 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. We have to add the 1 to this 8, which gives us 900. We will replace the other digits with zeros. Line or answer. For question Z, we have the number 1925. This will be approximately, this is units, tens, hundreds. We round up between the digits 9 and 2. 2 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. This will be approximately 1900. We move now to question 5. For question 5, write the following numbers correct to the nearest thousand. For A, we have the number 1999. 1999 to the nearest thousand. This will simply be approximately. We need to identify the different place values. This is units, tens, hundreds, thousands. To the nearest thousands, we have to approximate between 1 and 9. Draw a vertical line. The digit 9 for hundreds is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. And we have to add the 1 to this 1000. This will give us 2. Then we replace all the other digits with zeros. This will be approximately 2000. We go to B. B, we have the number 2004. To the nearest thousand, we have to approximate between 2 and 0. 0 is less than 5. It remains 0. We have to replace all the other digits with zeros. This will be approximately 2000 to the nearest thousand. For C, we have the number 31,480. To the nearest thousand, this will be approximately, this is units, tens, hundreds. We have to approximate here. 4 is less than 5. It is rounded down to 0. So we replace all the other digits with zeros. This will give us 31,000. We go now to question D. For question D, we have the number 69,697. This will be approximately units, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have to approximate at this level. 6 is greater than or equal to 5. It is rounded up to 1. We have to add the 1 to this 9. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. We cannot write 10. We are just going to keep the 0. Then we carry the 1 to this 6. 6 plus 1, which is 7. This will be approximately, write down the 70. Then we attach 1, 2, 3 zeros. And the final answer will be 70,000. We are done with the exercises for application on rounding off to a specified number of digits. If in case you have any questions, you drop your questions at the comment section. In our next video, we are going to see how to approximate to a given number of decimal places. We are going to see how to approximate to a given number of significant figures. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.